Well, here we are, Friday, and we're looking at finishing up the week of online learning. How awesome has it been? You're welcome to tell me that in the comments, how awesome it's been. I'd love to hear about it. Let's see, a couple of things. Ag Bio, folks, I'm going to make a specific video just for you guys. About the assignment today, and I'll post that in your Google Classroom. But make sure your notes are done. You can turn those in on either of the notes assignments. There was 2 of them, right? From Wednesday and Thursday. It doesn't matter which one you turn it into, as long as you complete it and turn it in. I'll get it either way, and you'll get the points for it. So that should work itself out. But then today's assignment, like I said, I'll post a specific video just about it, because it's a little crazy, and I just kind of want to walk you through it a little bit so it's not too overwhelming once you get rolling on it. Because there are some little quirks about that website and to figure out how to run the assignment. So anyway, you'll get that. Thanks for watching. Welding, guys. I'm putting together my calendar of appointments for you guys to come into the shop and utilize the shop. I've got it worked out with as many of you as there are. I've got it worked out where you can come into this shop and work for 1 hour next week. I know that's not a lot of time, and I know you want to work on your projects a lot more than that, but to be able to allow everybody to come in and work, I'm gonna put that together for 1 hour at some point this week. Then once I've given it some time for everybody to sign up and do it, if there's some of the people that decide to work on their projects at home and we don't fill up all the slots, then I will open it up, and only then will I open it up to come out more than just the once. But it should work out to give you some time to work on this project. This project for my basic class is pretty small, so you should be able to complete it at home. There's not a whole lot to do with it. You don't need a whole lot of crazy tools. But you do need a welder. So if you don't have access to a welder, then sign up for a slot to come into the shop, and we'll make that work. Again, like I said, 9 people are the most that I can allow in at a time, so we're no more than 10 per group, and I count as one of the 10, so that's where we're gonna be. I got a whole bunch of these things cut out, as you can see on this plate. Hopefully you can see all those little lines around there. Anyway, that's what we're gonna be, I'll break those all out of there, and then it'll be up to you guys to clean them up and weld them together. Finished product. Oh, where did I put that? Oh, there it is. Gotta walk clear across the shop now. Wasn't thinking about showing it to you, but I will. It's not gonna be too tough, and I will be posting a video of the actual construction of this thing, but this is it. This little shooting target right here. Mr. Gibbs was kind of putting this together. Mine's gonna work, seems like. I'm gonna want to see some cool videos back, or at least pictures, maybe you guys using it, shooting it, or at least finished products. So that's the way we'll set it up for you guys to show me. That will be next week's assignment for my basic class. Okay, it's to build that thing. You should be able to complete it in an hour, because that's the time I'm going to give you on it. Intermediate guys, those of you that did not start a project and I haven't ordered material for your project, you guys are welcome to take on that shooting target project as what you want to do. If that's the direction you want to go, I'll give it to you as an option to build that next week. So you've got something to do. If that doesn't fit with your program or what you want to do, then we'll have to figure something else out. You guys that have stuff in the shop right now, well, we're going to take time and I'll let you come in and work on it, and that'll be fine. We'll make that work. But for now, just expect to find an assignment on Google Classroom or some more instructions on where to go with that. But the biggest thing is the appointment slots. Make sure that you're getting signed up for those. Lastly, make sure that your John Deere virtual field trip is finished up and submitted today. That was your assignment for this week. Gave you that for our 3 days of this week, and as long as you get it submitted, you're good for this week. Next week is when we'll start into kind of hands-on stuff. So holler at me if you've got questions, Google Hangouts, Google Classroom comments, or in my email. Happy to chat, and like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get notified you got a new video. Adios.